Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is and we're here for the markets. This week we've had really volatile charts, volatile markets. As we know that we have some things going on in the European side, Russia and Ukraine, US in the mix, and also Great Britain in the mix as well. But we've had really great opportunities in the markets. Some pairs were sleeping, some pairs really volatile, like this one, giving you really great opportunities to trade. It's OD USD, OD Canadian dollar. Wait, what's going on? Okay, OD Canadian dollar, giving some volatile moves, great opportunities to trade the markets. The dollar is showing some ranges. So I think that's since the 3rd of March, it's been in this range bound area. So whenever this is a great opportunity for those who trade in support and resistance strategies. So yeah, this is just what's going on in this market. So I hope you've had a really great trading week yourselves. So in this session, I'm just going to be showing what I've been doing this week, what are the trades I've taken, what are the losses I've taken, the wins, yeah, how's the progress. See, I don't know, actually, this is the second time I'm seeing this, and I think I started wanting to really know what's going on in Japan, because all Japan pairs have been crashing. All of them. This is not United States dollar strength. This is just the weakness of Japanese currency. So I just want to know, really, I'm going to make a small search today of what's really going on, so that I know next week what I'm preparing to do. Maybe I'm just going to start taking those charts and then start trading them. I know it's not too late. The market can still go up, all the way up. New Zealand dollar showing some good strength structures. So I have not been trading this pair. I just went into it this morning. It's been a long time since I traded, because it has been giving me some really sluggish moves. So I dumped it. So I thought, let me just go back to the trading pairs that I've been trading over the past 6 months. Oh, no, before the past 6 months. Let me just go back to them and see what's going on. So I think they've been really reactive towards the levels I've been, looking to study at. Then USDs have been really marvelous, very good, profitable, wonderful. It's been giving me like good setups, and they follow my structures. Everything's just fine with USDs. German 30, it's just for confluence. I don't trade it yet. Don't trade it yet, because it's very volatile. So I'm not trading it. I'm just using it for confluence. And then US 30. US 30 has been good as well, but I don't think I placed any trades this week. And then NASDAQ, I've placed some trades, won some, lost some, but mostly I think it's mostly wins. And also Notion has been, somebody who's got some help. Notion has been really treating me badly. I don't know what's going on. I don't find a way to, I'll generate maybe for the 2 months, and after 2 months to run out and then, stop working. Then after maybe 6 months, it'll come back working, so that on and off, it's really stressful. So yeah, NASDAQ has been good. And then, yeah, I think I just dumped a pair this morning. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go deep into the charts. These are the daily charts. This is what's been going on. We'll start with NASDAQ. Just to check what's going on. This is pretty clear to everybody. Even beginners can see this. So I don't have to teach you anything like about structure, breakout, retest. Everybody knows this. So I know for sure everybody knows this. So now it's all about discretion, where you think the markets will go, and go with them. Right now the market it's bullish. So if you're taking sales right now, I don't know what's wrong with you, but this is a bullish market. In the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days, that's like 2 weeks of bullish markets, breaking structures, consistently breaking this one, breaking this one, breaking this one, and now we're looking to go and break up this one. Okay, we go for that one. So for me, it's bullish, 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 bullish. It's buys, 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 all the way to the upside, to breaking this all-time high, and then after breaking this all-time high, it's always going up because these companies are now recovering from the lows that they've been experiencing. So now let's just go down to a 4-hour. So we need this. Okay, even though I think I see something, you've seen something here. The market is it's bending. It's giving us some corrective structures around here. We all know this structure just simply means the market will go down. If it does go down, it'll probably, for me, it'll probably be just down to the 90% rule to retest this structure right here. You understand? To retest this one, then once that's really, really bad. Pardon me. I'm just going to use this. Yeah. Just retest this structure once more. I don't see it going below this, but if it does, because anything is possible with the market, so we do not control the markets. We just anticipate what can happen or what's going to happen, and we just react to what is happening. Okay, we are reactive traders. So when the market goes down, we go down. When the market goes up, we go up. We cannot control anything. Yeah. So because we are really, really small scale. So this is what's going on. This structure in a 4-hour time frame is a corrective structure. So it just simply means that, okay, I think it just simply means that the market just wants to go further down, but I just don't think it's going to go further than this. Trading opportunities on a smaller time frame, obviously, you can go down to 15 or 5 minutes. Others go to 1 minute. I don't trade 1 minute. Now we'll just see what happens when the market gets here. It gets here. I'm most likely not going to fix up unless I see something really of value. Like the market hold down here in this area, maybe it's like here in this area. Hold here, make a retest or break this zone, make a retest. Then I'll be interested in selling short term just until here. And after this, taking the profits, then we fly, we fly, we fly, we fly, guys, we fly all the way to the upside. Okay, we fly all the way to the upside. So this is probably just going to happen Monday, the whole Monday, or maybe just Monday and Tuesday. And here, I believe by Wednesday we'll be here. Then by Friday we'll be moving out, and then the following week, that other week, then we'll be continuing making those, breaking those structures, creating some levels so that you can find trading opportunities, because the market doesn't go straight up, doesn't go straight down. That's obvious. It goes up and down, up and down. It's a impulse correction, or others will say it's a push exhaustion, pull, push, pull back, push, pull back. Once that happens, you can be sure to find trading opportunities. But if it were to go up, straight up, like the Japanese yen, that the yen pairs are doing, and it's not easy to just go in and impulsive. If you do that, you're most likely to crash. If you go into an impulse, you're going to crash. So that's what I'm expecting. Market to hold down here, this level, create this level, hold it, break it, retest it, and then when it goes down, I'm going to go down to the 5-minute time frame to find trading opportunities, and then you see it's magnified now in the 5-minute time frame. It's magnified now, so it's easy to just find trading opportunities around this box, around this level. As you can see here, it's a break of this structure. It went back up to retest this level, came back, couldn't break it, couldn't break the lows, still couldn't really break the highs. See, this is just holding at the level. The market's kind of dead here. So what I could be expecting is for market to go down, unless this could act as a bullish flag. If it's a bullish flag, then we're sure to go up and continue with our major trend. But if not, the market will just hold in this range, hold, and then eventually, when the London session kicks in or the New York session kicks in, then it'll just drop down to this level, $14, 242. Let's go to the US30. All right, so, yeah, US30. Most likely, it goes almost similar way as the Nasdaq. See, we've been holding down this range for a long time, so we're not going to speak about it. I know everybody's making videos about this range and all that, and the breaks of structure, whatever. But now I'm not focusing on the sales because we're not selling right now. We're not selling. The markets are recovering. I mean, I saw Tesla today. It is bullish. I saw Netflix bullish. I saw Microsoft. It's bullish. I saw. We talk about the stocks that are driving US30 and Nasdaq. They are showing bullish signs. Okay, so why would you want to sell in this market if the market the stocks that are pushing the US30s, that the indices, why would you be selling if they are bullish? Okay, so in this case, I'm just focusing on the bulls. I'm following the bulls right now. So what we want to see, because this is a small range, it happened this week, so the market has been kind of big with US30. If you're trading support and resistance, kudos to you, you make money this week. But if you're trading a break of structure, whatever, my strategy, then you probably stayed out of this market this week. I didn't place even one trade on US30 this week because there was no trading opportunity. There's no need for you to create something that's not there. Okay, you don't have to trade. Even not trading is also a good trading decision. So I didn't trade anything this week. You see, this is a whole week. Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. So it's been here the whole week. Didn't move a bit. So, but if you're trading support and resistance, this was your week. Okay, these were the tops, these are the bottoms. So you did make money. I believe so. I'd like to believe so. My anticipation, what I want to see this week, is a break of this level, a retest of this level, and I'm going to be starting to make those buys. Well, it doesn't matter. If it goes down, goes up, it doesn't matter for me. If it goes down, I'll be expecting to see, this is what I'll be expecting to see. If it starts to come down here, I'm not going to take a trade up here. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait for a break of this level, a retest of this level, no matter how small, the break is, whatever. Well, I'm so well aware of fake out, so I'm not going to be enticed into the market just to be faked out. I'm not going to do that. I just want a clear break, higher time frame structure, maybe 4 hours or even 1 hour, a clear break, a retest, and then on that retest, I'll be looking for specific things like weak rejections, maybe on a 4 hour or even down to a 1 hour, and then maybe at least 2 or 3 week projections, strong red candles that are looking bearish, like this one here. See this one? It's showing really good signs. But if we have this candle down here after a break, then it's more signs of the bears are now, we just want to take control. But you're not going to dismiss the fact that there's this level right here. So we're not going to want to hold all the way. No. It's just the scalping mode. Activate the scalping mode, and then we'll see how far the market goes. But if it goes further, we'll just be monitoring the trades down to this level. Okay, if that happens. If not, this doesn't happen. As I said, we are reaction traders, so we do not tell the market what to do. We just follow what the market does. Simply wait for a break up, because it's been holding this level 1, 2, 3 times. So come for a retest, hold down this level a little bit, because what could happen is that if we want, okay, well, I don't care about that. If we want to just come down take the wicks, activate the sellers, and then come back up, hold for maybe 2-3 hours, and then start breaking structure a little bit, coming back to retest. Wow. And then start buying. So I'm not going to follow all this. I was just saying this usually happens. It happens almost all the time. Okay. So what I just want to see is just a break, a retest, a little bit of a holding for a couple of hours. That's where patience comes in, because it will entice traders that it's going up, then it doesn't, and then just goes down. Maybe news kick in, and then the market just triggers the sellers, and then hits the stop loss of the early buyers, and then start rallying all the way to the upside, and it will hit your target, and you will feel emotional, and you think the market is against you. Well, we all went through that, where we think the market is against us, the broker made a manipulation and all those things. But that's not the case. You actually manipulated yourself. Once you start being patient about what's going on in the market, you will start seeing the rewards. Okay, traders. So this is what I'll be looking for. Okay. This is what I'll be looking for. Yeah. So, this is what I'm looking for. A break up or a break up below, the retest, and a selling opportunity or a buying opportunity. But I'm more bulls than bears, because you see, the market is holding this level, and there's no real reference except, you see, it's 4 February. So I don't really, look at such things. So I'll be just monitoring my trades around this level. So let's go to another pair. German 30, it's for confluence, break up or break down. It's also bullish. Okay, you can see it's straight up bullish. Okay, the trend line traders will argue that it's broken the, well, it is true, it has broken the trend line. It's true. Held down this level, didn't break it. See, so this is the range I've been speaking about on US30. This is the range I've been speaking about. So what we'll be looking at, you won't be trading. I know you won't be trading in this level. What's going to be happening? You'll be waiting for a break below or a break up. That's all. Unless you're an amateur trader, you're going to take trades here. But if you know what's going on in the markets, if you take advice from the, those, the guys who've already made it, you will see that they won't be taking trades here. Unless scalping, yes, if you go down to a 5-minute time frame, you will find opportunities. A lot of noise happening here. And you will not be able to filter out any noise, because you will say, oh, this is support, okay, support. Oh, this is, okay, this is resistance. Oh, great, okay, it's a 5-minute time frame, by the way. It can just violate structures like crazy. And then this is a trend line. Oh, okay, that's nice. You see, in a 5-minute time frame, you will find crazy opportunities, and sometimes it will violate your strategy so much that you think you begin to even doubt your strategy. But if you follow the higher time frame strategies, it's much simpler. You cut down all the noise. You will not be, you know exactly what you're looking for. You won't be starting to hesitate, doubting what you need to be looking for and whatever. So yeah, this is just for confluence. See, just as we have, well, if here, just like on Nasdaq, we go to Nasdaq quickly. You see here, we have a structure that tells us that, because this is a reversal chart pattern, it's an ascending pattern. Ascending pattern tells us the market wants to go down. That's what it does. Remember, these are indices. It can go straight up all the way. Okay, that is what I'm saying. Let's react to the market. Break of structure, retest, it's going to tell you exactly what to do. Okay. This chart pattern says sell. Okay, in a bullish market, mind you, in a bullish market. Here we have a range. After the bulls came in, we have a range. So it can break up or break down. It's been holding down this level. It's been holding up this level. Okay. Then we go to German 30. Same thing. We just broke the trend line of a 4-hour. It's a really strong level. We just broke it. But with what? Not any impulsive move. With the range. So not much action can be taken against this one. You just have to wait for a break and a retest. Okay. Let's go to now the trading. Okay, we're done with the indices. Let's go to the currency markets. Okay, the rand has been showing strength. The rand has been showing strength. Why am I saying this? Because the dollar is also strong in its own respect. The dollar is strong. We go to you to where is it? Where is it? 50. See what I'm talking about? The dollar has been really strong. Okay, it's been strength and strength, going up, gaining strength, and all that. But in all that, the South African rand has been showing strength because it's been going down, so it's stronger, and it's been giving really, really great patterns. So simple, 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 simple things, simple things, breaking retest. Understand? Break, structure, retest. I think we spoke about this last week. You know, break and retest. You jump down to a smaller time frame, 1 hour, you'll still find them, or even 15 minutes maybe. Okay, you'll find these. See? So in this week, I think I took 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss, and then that loss was really crazy because I took a sell. I took a sell right here. I think somewhere around here because I thought it's already broken this. You see, this is a smaller time frame. Okay, I thought to myself, okay, it's already broken. Let's go to 15 minutes. You'll see. Yes, this is it. This is it. Okay, I took a sell right here. You see, this is a tier break of the structure. Okay, break a retest. And with projections, you understand, it's clear, straightforward. I took a sell right here. Oh, I took a sell right here. The market went down. The stop loss was on around here, I think. Yeah. The market went down. As I said, I wanted to sell. I wanted to see it go down because the trend is bearish. So I wanted to see it move further down. It went down, and then I thought, okay, the trade is going well. I'm not going to decrease the stop loss because it hasn't reached the 1%. Okay, I'm going to let it go. I let it go. I come back like 4 hours later, stop loss hit. Ah, what happened? Oh no, we didn't even, we had a double bottom inside. So the market hit my stop loss, whatever. I don't know what the reasons were. But I also thought it is wrong of me to just take a trade in the middle of a structure like this. Okay. I was supposed to take note of, I don't know, there's no reference on the left, none whatsoever. You see right here, there's nothing. Okay, that supports this market going up here. So I thought to myself, this is now a bearish move because the double top, I mean, it's failed to break up above here since it's broken this level. So I thought it's just going to go down. Then that didn't happen. It instead held down this zone, and then it broke, shot all the way down. So when I saw this two strong bearish candles, I jumped back in. Jumped back in, placed my stop loss a little bit higher than now than before, and then I took my win. Okay, made back the money I lost, and then even made extra for myself. What I didn't know, I closed my trade early. I didn't know it would go further down. I think, yeah, I didn't know that. So I think I took my profits around here. Yeah, took it around here, 155. And I didn't know it was going to go for because I saw it slow down. So I thought, you know what, I don't want to give back the money. At least I made what I lost back, and then I made even extra. So I didn't want to give it back. So instead of placing a stop loss here, I thought, let me just go out. I had the mind to just place my stop loss here and then just let it go. But something said, no, man, just take the money and find another opportunity. I did that, and then the market dropped really, really hard. Then, yeah, those are the only 2 trades I took this week from the USD ZAR. Okay, this one, we'll talk about it probably next week if we find trading opportunities. In here, I kept on monitoring it, and it kept going up and up and up and up. So I haven't taken any trade here. I was looking for some, but I didn't find them. Then this Euro USD, I found this trading opportunity and I'm currently holding it. It's in profits, good profits. So we'll see how it goes out. You see, this is the range I've been talking about. This is the week's range. This is what's been going on in the week since the 22nd. Well, yeah, 22nd until, so we haven't broken that. So once the market gets down here, I'm closing my trade break even, cutting half the trade, the risk down to here, okay, because the market is allowed to go back to test its levels. As you can see here, this is a strong level that's broken, really with a strong candle. I think that was news. So the market is allowed to come back and test this level. So what it can do, it can go all the way a little bit higher just to, because they know, these guys, they know that there could be traders around here, hanging around here. So they could go just a little bit higher like this. So if I'm placing my stop loss in this level, in this area, then what's going to happen is going to take me out on break even, and then it's going to fall all the way down. So I don't want to do that. I want to hold this trade and see what's going to happen in the long run. I want to hold this trade all the way down because it's going to happen, guys. It's going to happen. I know it's going to happen. But when is it going to happen? I don't know that one. Okay. I don't know when it's going to happen, but I know eventually I'm going to see the market down here and I'll be like, oh my God, like I always did. So I don't do such things anymore. I think I've grown so much to doing such silly mistakes of don't break even quickly, especially if it's a long-term trade. Okay. So I'll be holding it for the rest of the week next week to see if it gets here before Wednesday and then break. I'll be happy. Let's go to another pair, like 40 USD. 40 USD has been showing bulls as well. Really, really bullish. Given some good trading opportunities. This is the 4-hour structure time frame. Giving some great opportunities. I think I didn't trade 40 USD this week. Instead, I traded 40 CAD. Okay, because the structures are much clearer and it was giving more money than Audi US dollar. Okay, this is what I've been looking at. I took the trade from here. I took the trade from here. It's just I think it was a short-term trade. Went all the way up, came back down here. Well, I think I took a trade somewhere here. Yeah, yeah, and then it hit me stop loss because I don't know. I just thought this level is held already and we are on. So I took a trade here. It hit my stop loss. Okay, fine. Even though I thought it's got to come back down to this level. But I took the trade too early because of FOMO, I guess. And then after this close of the candle, I placed my sell stop up there. And then I went with the 1 to 2. Okay. I went with the 1 to 2, made my profits, went out. And yeah. So these are wait, sorry. these are the okay, that's my brother's daughter. She just came in, really excited to see me. So yeah, these are the opportunities I've been looking for. And then also I was looking for a buy right here, but I didn't find it. I was looking for a buy here. I think I took one more trade. I took a sell somewhere. I took a sell because I was looking for the market to yeah, exactly. See, this is a range. This is a double top. So I was looking for the market to just come down to this level so that I can take buys. Okay, I was looking for that. Yes, I was looking for that. So I took a sell, somewhere here on a smaller time frame, and it hit my stop loss, guys. I don't know. I think my stop loss is too tight. It was probably on a 5-minute time frame. So yeah, it was probably on a 5-minute time frame, somewhere around here. Then I hit my stop loss. Fine. So what I'm looking for, really looking for in the market is for the market to come down to this level, then go up. So what probably will happen is that this is it's you can see this is 15 minutes quickly. Okay, network just started its own. Yeah. This, see, this is simple, simple. It's too easy, man. See, this chart pattern is a reversal chart pattern. So where to go? To go up. Okay, to go up. Okay, we go to 1 hour. What I've noticed happen with such chart patterns, especially if it's not in a key level, before it goes up, it's gonna go down. Maybe a huge wick, okay, and then start moving up. People placing buys here, okay, so it's fine. This is what. So I think yeah, this is what I've been doing this whole week. So next week, this is what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. Audio USD. We are looking for something almost similar to what? I think this is NAS. NAS has something like this one. You know? Okay. Oh no. Okay. Oh wow. Yeah, this is what we are looking for. It's probably gonna just drop a little bit. Probably gonna go down because it's holding this level really tight. Really, really tight. So let's just see what happens in the market this week. Monday, we're not rushing to trade, but if there's a trading opportunity that looks good, that follows our criteria, then we'll take a trade. So after here, we'll just bounce off to the upside. That's what I'm looking for here. Bounce up to the upside because the market is currently bullish unless we break these lows. Unless we break these lows here. Until we break 12, until we break these lows, retest them, then we are not selling. Well, guys, thank you so much. I think this is it. I think this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with us. And we'll see you on the other side.